A lot of undocumented immigrants put money aside and they save money because even if they're not going to court today, they know that they may go to court in 2 years or 5 years or 15 years. And at that time, it really helps them if they have the help of an immigration lawyer. And while there are lots of organizations out there that provide free or low-cost legal advice, sometimes it can be better to have an immigration lawyer on your side with the time and the resources to go through your case. So I do recommend putting some money aside, saving some, being very careful about the immigration lawyer that you select to help you with your case, but it will be helpful to have an attorney with you in court. Going to court can take a lot of time and a lot of work on the behalf of the lawyer. So I've seen lawyers cost $5,000. I've seen some lawyers cost $10,000. It's really not a bad idea for a family to have around $10,000 saved. And I know that sounds like a lot of money, but remember that for one case, you're going to court a few times. And again, don't just give your money to anyone, but really check the lawyers and make sure that they are a good lawyer. And a lot of lawyers will work with people too. I mean, your court case is going to take a long time, so you shouldn't have to pay all $10,000 up front, but that depends on the lawyer. It's really difficult to give a percentage of what your chances of success are if you pay with a lawyer. Most of your chances depend on the law. And when you go in front of immigration court, there are a lot of things to consider, like how long you've been here, whether or not you have family members that are U.S. citizens, what your criminal record is like, and a lot of other things that are really too voluminous and there's too many details to go into. So that's something that your lawyer should be able to tell you in your first or your second meeting with the lawyer of what your chances are. And that's why you want to have a lawyer who has been in court many times before and that knows what they're doing and that has been vetted by the state bar and by the American Immigration Lawyers Association.